Security systems are essential for protecting people, property, and assets from various threats such as theft and intrusion. They offer proactive measures for detection, surveillance, and response to potential risks, ensuring safety and peace of mind. Additionally, security systems act as deterrents to criminal activity, contributing to overall crime prevention and community safety. Concerned about installing security systems? Our team is available to provide professional assistance. 2A. Tech Serve. We secure your home and business. Our services: security CCTV camera, biometric machine, gate automation, home automation, smoke alarm detector. We offer installation, servicing, and maintenance solutions for you. Call us on 95664 73320.